Standard features include a 36-inch log capacity, a 28-horsepower electric start engine, RPM and hour meter, soft start electric clutch, 14-foot ground track with log dogs, 19-inch band wheels, double hard HUD-SON band blade, adjustable HUD-SON guide system and blade lubrication system, 4-post head with 1.5-inch square tubing frame on our new design, standard 1.5-inch pillow block bearings, rugged 12-volt winch to raise and lower head for height adjustment, standard HUD-SON shoe guides, dual measuring system, 4, 5, 6, and 8-quarter scale with standard 1-inch with 1/16-inch scale, a larger 5.5-gallon lube tank, and has a durable baked-on powder coat finish. Available options do include a 12-volt power feed with forward and reverse. Trailer lengths available are 16, 20, 24, and 28 feet. Log ramps for trailer units, extra track for ground units, and extra log dog assemblies.